Hello everybody, my name is Emmanuel, a teacher of English and Swahili. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson about questions and answers, and we translate in Kiswahili. So, not only in Kiswahili but also in Kinyarwanda. So, now, let's begin by the question number 1. What is your name? In Kiswahili we say, jina lako ni nani? Mu Kinyarwanda, izina ryawe ni nde? In English we say, we give the answer of my name is. Izina ryanjye ni ukarivuga. My name is Anita Keza. Jina langu ni Anita Keza. Jina langu ni Anita Keza. Then, now the question number 2. Where are you going? Where are you going? Unaenda wapi? Ujiye hehe? I am going to Kigali. You can say I am going to Gitega, I am going to Ruhengeri, I am going to Butare. Depending on where you are going. Then the answer is in Kiswahili ninaenda Kigali. Naenda wapi? Ninaenda Kigali. Ni Kinyarwanda ugiye Kigali. Then number 3. How do you feel? How do you feel? In Kiswahili we say number 3. Unajisikiaje? Unajisikiaje? In English we answer I feel good. I feel good. Ninajisikia vizuri. Ninajisikia vizuri. Umezute? Meze neza. Ubwo abari ikibazo cyo kubaza uko ubuzima buhagaze. The question number 4. What do you want? What do you want? In Kiswahili, unataka nini? Unataka nini? Ni Kinyarwanda, urashaka iki? In English, we answer, I want a bread. I want a bread. Here, you can add anything you want. You want a bread, you want a book, you want something that you want. You add something that you want. Ni Kiswahili, we say, ninataka mkate. Ninataka mkate, ninataka kalamu, ninataka chakula, depending on what you want. The question number 5. Who is your friend? Who is your friend? In Kiswahili, rafiki yako ni nani? Rafiki yako ni nani? In Kinyarwanda, inshuti yawe ni nde? In English, we answer by saying, my friend is Joseph. My friend is Joseph. In Kiswahili, rafiki yangu ni Joseph. Inshuti yangu ni Joseph. So here you can add the name of your friend, because this is an example. So these are some questions that you can ask someone that you meet, and there are questions that you maybe use it in our daily life. So we shall continue giving you the things that you can use, or the words that you can use in your daily life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos. I thank you today. We shall continue next time. May God bless you. See you. Bye.